it's Jenny Wolek with the Wolek Group, Keller Realty Advantage, Tulsa, Oklahoma. Today I want to share some pros and cons about having a raised garden bed. It's spring and it's time to get our hands dirty. Well, for one thing, they're pretty. Raised garden beds are really nice to look at. They also keep the kids and the animals out of them. And the other good thing is that you can start planting early because the soil will be warmer than the ground. Now here's some downside. They are pricey. You are going to have to invest in the bed, the materials, the soil, the fertilizer, all that good stuff in order to get you going. Also, they're going to take lots of water. And then lastly, they are just not as sustainable as the ground. These are great tips and ideas to see if this is a good fit for you and your family. We also have friends over at Grog's Green Barn that I know can help you out if you have any questions about raised garden beds. My number is 918-706-9845. Let us know if you need anything at all. Bye.